Hi guys, this video is about the list widget. Now, in a previous video, we showed how you can do a checkbox which allows you to either make the project in English or Spanish. But what if those two languages aren't your only options? So what I created was a list of English, Spanish, French, and German. So I want to say click or click or clickies or click in German. So now what I use is the list. Now lists in Python are in square brackets. And so I made a list, a Python list, in square brackets of the words English, Spanish, French, and German. I call that the language list. And I created a nice little font for it. And what I'm going to do now, times 16 that is, and now I'm going to hit enter. And we're going to put the language list right over here. So the idea is now I want, when I select the language, it's going to change into that language. So we're going to change this a little bit. I'm going to get rid of the stuff about the Spanish check. So I'm going to get rid of that stuff. And I'm going to say okay, if I'm going to make sure I'm going to say, well, first I'm going to say selected language. So what we have here is language list. So I'm going to say if language list dot selected parentheses, so I'm calling a method, equals Spanish. The click word is going to be click. But now we're going to do elif language list dot selected equals French. And I looked that up, but of course I don't remember it right now, but that's easy enough to fix. In French, it's cliquez. Probably clique, because French likes to throw lots and lots of extra letters in all its words. Okay. So now my click word is going to be cliquez. Elif language list dot selected equals German. So in this case, the click word, and once again I have to look it up. I've already Googled it. Is click. Cliquez. I don't know how it's pronounced in German. Probably click. But anyway. Let's go away. And here we go. Click. And that handles. Okay, and I'm going to use the same stuff when I select A. So, okay. Now, realize, so I'm going to just copy this whole thing, but indent everything now. Basically. So, now, and I have to do this in the button too. So, let us see. Do I have to do anything with the button? No, the button does the right thing. Okay. Just have to put this in over here. But the indenting's all wrong, so I gotta make sure indent every one of my lines. Tab. Go back here. Yes, I don't have quite the fanciest text editor because this is the most advanced material that I'm going to use this guy for. And now I'm going to say else. The click word is going to be just regular click plus it in English. Okay, so if nothing is selected, this means we do English. And I better put S's at the end. I don't know how you plural in French. Let me try that again. Oh, it's cliques. No cliques. Okay, I'll fix that. So it's just like Spanish. Okay. So, not too surprising. Anyway, I'll let you put that S at the end of that one too. Now, what we've got, now the question, and I'm not a language teacher, so I make no promises. The last thing I got to do with this is change what's said on the button. So I'm going to change. I'm going to just take this guy, put it at the end of the thing. Now that I got the click word right, I'm going to say this, and that should hopefully do the right thing. So when I click change clicks, okay, it didn't report any syntax errors, saying 0 clicks. And so if I click on Spanish right now, it changes it to being in Spanish. If I change it to German, it changes it to German, French, and back to English. It should say clicks, but that's close enough. So, you see, now, there's a whole bunch of features about lists I'm not going to talk about because I haven't fully debugged it yet. This is the most advanced thing, and it probably could use, but this basic stuff seems to work really well. And this is where I'm going to stop talking about lists. As soon as I get back in.